Hello everybody, welcome back to Razzle. I've got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who liked you on Bumble without actually paying for it. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're gonna do, first of all, you're simply gonna go ahead access your Bumble, that will you have saved and installed in your mobile phone itself. First of all, let's cancel all of this and go back to our home page, which will be like this here in the home section, and it will show up like this for you. Just swipe right or left according to your need. So the liking, if you swipe simply to the right, you are interested in that person, and if you swipe to left, that means you're not interested. So that's how you can differentiate the profiles, right? So let's say if you have been liked by somebody, then what you can do, you can go ahead, tap on at this little heart icon beside your swipe, aka home icon. If you go there, you can see interested in you. When someone swipe right on you, you will be able to find them right here. So you can see if someone swipes right on you who is interested in you, you will be able to see them over here. Simply just have to tap on that icon and you will be able to see them without actually paying. That's one of the features of Bumble. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.